Hi guys, it's Dee from Sarah Designs. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome to our channel. I am just getting over some kind of bug. I was tested yesterday for RSV, for the flu, and for COVID, and I'm waiting for the results to come back, but I'm starting to feel better now. So, anyway, that's why I haven't posted in a while, and now I'm doing a whole bunch of videos at once. So, today's video is a Dollar Tree, super quick Dollar Tree haul. Not many items, but I just wanted to pop on real quick and show you guys what I got. I've shown this before. They only had a few of them last time, so I bought every one they had. These little organizers. Let me get this out of the way. From Essential, it's an organizer 12 by 4.5 by 1.62. Anyway, little organizer that I'm trying, oh, here comes Graham again, trying to organize my craft room, and these seem to be doing a good job in my drawers for helping me keeping things separated. So I only got the one today because I have to go through my drawers and see how many exactly I need. I know I needed at least one, so that's that. Next is, I keep saying this, I need another stamp, like I need a hole in the head, but I like the Crafter Square stamps. I found this one here, and I don't recall if I have this already or not. I know they have a few new ones out, but I've already purchased them. This was in a bin with their older stuff. So I'm not sure if I already have this one, but it had to be, and you know I had to get it. If I have a little ladybug. I don't remember ever seeing this in my stash. But anyway, $1.25. I got that. And then just a couple other items, guys. When I go there, I always look for their paper. And I found some. I got two of these. They're there's 24 sheets. 12 designs, 6 by 6. I got 2 packs of these. That's the cover. Oh my gosh, they're card. They're not paper, they're card. It says paper pack. They're actual card. They're cardboard. Wow, Dollar Tree is stepping it up, man. Look how nice for spring and summery. That'd be good for birthday cards. You get 2 of each. Graham, which one do you like? These are nice, guys. These are really nice. I don't know how they'll cut, like die cut, but I got 2 packs of those. And then I got 2 packs of these. And now I think I might go back and get more. Where are you going? You leaving me? Look at these. I made a lot of digital paper, this kind of effect. Look how nice. This is like what we do with like our blendings. That not so much, but I'm sure people have. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh. Inspo. There's some inspiration here. I get lots of inspiration when I see colors. Different designs. Oh, how nice. So I got 2 packs of those. And that's it, guys. That's my haul. I do recommend, if you can get to the Dollar Tree, go get these. They are super, super nice. It says craft paper pack. I didn't open it at the store, obviously, because I wouldn't have been so shocked. But this is cardstock. It's like shiny on one side and dull on the other. It's like cardboard, printed cardboard. Win, win, win. Oh my gosh. Dollar Tree stepping it up. They are really impressing me with their crafting game. I just wish that they would offer more stamps. I like their stamps, and I wish they had more variety. You guys will be surprised, maybe proud of me to know that I avoided the stencils. They have them hanging there, and I avoided looking at them. I have more than enough stamps too, but I have more than enough stencils that I will ever need in my lifetime. But anyway, guys, that's my haul for today. Please subscribe if you're not already. And thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. And I'm not sure what it's going to be, so stay tuned. You'll know when I know. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.